Who will read this? Karthik, read.
The position vector of the center of mass r bar of an asymmetric uniform bar of negligible area of cross section as shown in the figure.
Okay, thank you. Now you see the figure. In the figure, what information given I will explain. Here, one bar is there. It is asymmetric. Asymmetric means it is not straight, or it is not a particular shape of like circle or any particular. It is asymmetric. You see the figure, x-axis is length, y-axis is also length. So this bar has bent like this. You are seeing the figure, no? So the bar has bent like this from here to here, 2L length, and downward also length is L, and after that right side 3L minus 2L, that is L. So total length is actually 2L plus L, 3L plus L, 4L. So total length is 4L. Here what question is asking is, what is the position of center of mass? First you should know what is the concept of center of mass. Center of mass is a point where total mass of the system is said to be concentrated. It means if you apply the force at the center of mass, entire body will move along the direction of the force. If you apply the force above the center of mass or below the center of mass, instead of going only translatory motion, it will rotate also. Actually, center of gravity concept I will tell you. Actually, you have your pen in your hand. You want to balance the pen with your single finger. Then what you will do? Definitely, if the pen is uniform mass, your finger will be in the middle of the pen. Then only it will not fall. If you keep your finger beside this point, it will rotate and fall down. Means the point where that pen is not falling down, no, when you are holding it, that point is center of gravity. In that case, that point also we can call center of mass. Okay. Now here, how to solve this problem? I will explain you. Center of mass I explain. Now for this problem I will tell you. The mass of this total bar is not given, but we will assume what is the mass of this portion and this portion and this portion. Okay. So here the total bar is actually the thickness, the cross section area is same and it is negligible. So here x coordinate and y coordinate of center of mass we have to calculate. X coordinate of center of mass, suppose some two particles are there, m1, m2. They are located at x1 and x2. What is the x coordinate of center of mass? Formula xcm equal to m1 x1 plus m2 x2 by m1 plus m2. Similarly, y coordinate of center of mass m1 y1 plus m2 y2. Okay, that is the basic formula we use for center of mass. Here m1 m2 m3 they have not given. You have to choose cleverly, intelligently what is m1, what is m2. You see here, you see the solution, go for the solution. These are the options given. In the solution, what I have shown here, the total mass, actually the length horizontally you see from 0 to 2L. So length is 2L. So I am assuming that mass is 2m. And downward length is L. So I am assuming that mass is m. And right side from 2L to 3L, the length is L, no? So that is also m. If length is same, I have divided this bar into three portions. One portion length is 2L, another portion is L, another portion is L. So the length of the portion, if it is L, I am assuming mass is m. If it is 2L, it is 2m. Now 3 portions I have divided. First portion, that is 2m mass. The x coordinate is, you see, I have put one point here, x coordinate, exactly center of this bar, that is L, comma, y coordinate is L, that is on the y axis. So 2m, the position is L comma L. Similarly, downward, this block is this bar of length L and mass m. Its x coordinate is 2L, comma, y coordinate is L by 2, because it is at a height of L by 2 from the x axis. So the downward, the portion of the bar is, the position is m, position of the mass m is 2L comma L by 2. Now similarly, for the portion from 2L to 3L, the center of mass of this portion is 2L and 3L in the middle of 2L and 3L, it is 5 by 2L, comma, y coordinate is 0 because it is on the x axis. Now you have 3 masses, one is 2m, m and m, and their positions also, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Simply substitute for 3 objects m1 x1 plus m2 x2 plus m3 x3 by m1 plus m2 plus m3. So xcm means x coordinate of center of mass is equal to, simple, mass is 2m, 2m into x coordinate is L, 2ml plus m into 2L for the second portion. For third portion, m into 5 by 2L. So m1 x1, m2 x2, m3 x3 divided by m1 plus m2 plus m3. Okay. So for this is the x coordinate. Similarly, y coordinate, m1 y1 plus m2 y2 plus m3 y3. Here y3 is 0 for the third portion. So divided by m1 plus m2 plus m3. That is, after simplifying, 5 by 8 into L. So x coordinate you know, y coordinate you know. Simple formula, r equal to xi cap plus yj cap. Here x coordinate is 13 by 8 L, x cap is along x direction, plus 5 by 8 L, y cap is along y direction. So option 1 is correct. You got it, Ra?